Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'll be explaining how to add decimal numbers. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So the first sum, we have 2.3 plus 4.5. So when you're adding decimal numbers, the first thing you have to keep in mind is that the decimal point should be one below the other. And then usual addition, 5 plus 3 gives 8, 4 plus 2 gives 6. Moving on to the next sum, 3.4 and 2.75. Arrange the decimal point correctly and then write the numbers one below the other. If there are no digits, just add 0 and then add the numbers as usual. 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 4, 11, and then 3 plus 2 plus 1 gives 6. So moving on to the next problem. We have three numbers now, so 1.25. Arrange the decimal point correctly. I'm repeating that because one of the most important thing while you add the decimal numbers, else your answer is going to be absolutely wrong. So 5 plus 0 plus 5 gives 10, 7 plus 5 and plus 2 and then 1 gives 15, and then 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. So moving on to the next problem, 4.78 and then 2.96. Usual addition, 8 plus 6 gives 14, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 7 gives 17, and then 7. Moving on to the last and the final problem. Now here whole number, so here you're going to add a decimal point and then add 0. So 5 becomes 5.00, because in the second digit you have two digits after the decimal point and then usual addition. Decimal addition is very simple. Just one thing you have to keep in mind is you have to arrange the decimal point one below the other. So if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.